This is Jim, HD Pocket Doors. We're out here in Central Phoenix going through a house that's almost move-in ready. There's a lot of finished products here. I want to talk a little bit about why general contractors, homeowners, designers want to use HD Pocket Doors versus some of our competitors. Our frames are very versatile. We can go any width, any height. We can also use a number of different hardware suppliers. We're not married to one certain hardware. For instance, we have a pocket door frame in this wall here. And the thing of it is, most manufacturers, the only frames that they build are for a 3.5-inch wide wall, a 2x4 wall, or a 5.5-inch wide 2x6 wall. There's a lot of instances where we have a single door in a wall. It was framed as a 2x6 wall, but the architect spec'd it out as being a shear wall, which means they have to put a layer of plywood on this wall, so now your wall is thicker. In our shop, we can build that to match the shear wall so that after the frame is installed, it's complete. You don't have to come back and fur our frame out to make it match the wall thickness. That's what's happened in this scenario here. This is a wider wall than 5.5 inches. And so in our shop, we figured out what the width of the framing was. We can make our header that same width and put our posts so that everything lines up and it's a finished product when we're all finished with the install. The other thing that we do that our competitors don't do is when we are prepping our frame in the shop, we install, if it comes with a soft close mechanism, we install that soft close, we put the activator where it's supposed to be. When the guy comes to install the door, he doesn't have to worry about where do all these things go. It's all done. All they have to do is look at the QR code that we have on the packaging. They find out where the brackets, there's usually a bracket on top of the door at this, somewhere at this point, somewhere at this point. They have to put that bracket in the right place, bring the door over, hang it on the pendants that are in there, and it's good to go. The other thing too is not one manufacturer of hardware has everything. Not all manufacturers have a synchronized. Not all manufacturers have the capacity to bring more than one door out of a pocket. The manufacturers that have their own pocket door frame, they don't want to use a competitor's hardware. We don't have a hardware of our own. So we're able to use every other manufacturers that we want or need to use to complete our project. If there's ever you have a question of any particular hardware that you want to use, any certain scenario, you have an opening in a wall, you don't know what to do with it, you don't know what would be the best case scenario for that, give us a call. We'll walk you through, we'll tell you what's available. If you're in town, we welcome you to come by our shop. We have almost every scenario possible in our shop that you can actually see it, feel it, work it, and know that it's going to do a good job for you.